Today we're gonna show you my house of dream. This is like a fourth house, apparently. So it's really classy in here. Nothing in chess. I'm just telling you. Don't ask in the comments. And then bunker. I'm not going through all the chests. That would just take forever. I'm trying to keep this video as short as possible. Some horses have spawned outside. Like new balls, like walk into a torch. Got in here. Moon. Look at my window. It's like looking at nothing. My bed. Yeah, only one bed in this one. I have an itch. So I'm just gonna come out here. If you look at the ceiling, lost them. We got a bathroom in here. Like, it doesn't matter which one's the toilet or the sink. I think I just keep this one the toilet and this one the sink. If you hear any background noises, it's either someone talking, it's either my mom talking, or the TV. And it's pretty awesome. So that's the end of the video. I'm probably need 3955 here. And make sure you slap that like button. Subscribe, like that like button. And add in the comments if I should add anything. So then you have around here is trees. Horsey. This is all about trees. And so smash that like button, subscribe, and add in the comments for anything else I should add.